What's going on, everybody? FOMC came out. 50 basis point rate deduction led to a spike in the price that we just barely took out the high and then dumped. I'm going to show you in this video what I am seeing on the chart setting up for Bitcoin and the crypto markets. Yes, I am still in my Ethereum long trade. I am holding this sucker, and stop loss was almost hit. My stop loss is set. It's kind of a set it, forget it kind of situation, and I'm hoping for higher prices. Spoiler alert. And I'm going to show you how we're going to get there in today's video. I'm going to give you some trade setups that I am looking at. And before we get started, guys, join the free Discord. My Elliott Wave course is now free in the Learn section of the free Discord. Go take the course, run through it. I got a whole bunch of learning material in there for you guys now, so check it out. It's for free. Let's get right into this. All right. So, guys, I'm expecting higher prices. I am. How we get there is the question, and we're gonna break it down here. Zoomed out just on the 6 hour. You guys know where I stand here. I'm gonna start by saying this: if you're not an Elliott Wave trader, stick with me. I will try to make it make sense to you. Correction down, correction up, impulse down. To me, this is a flat correction. I am set in that. That is a flat correction. There's our corrective wave. Here is our starting wave from the low that was put in all the way back in the beginning of August, $49,393, impulsed up out of here, or could it have corrected out of here, right? That is the question. That's where interpretation comes into play. But I have a nice flat correction that is finished right here, and we're looking to match up this leg with our starting leg so we can get at least an ABC style zigzag correction, right? That is what I'm looking for. That's what I've been calling for since we were over in here. I told you I was long in this to match this, to catch this leg up, and I followed through with that, and we did. So this leg now that we're trying to match up with this, we're going to break down. And I'm going to show you what I'm looking at here on the charts. Now, before I proceed, I do want to let you guys know this is your last chance. This is your final warning. Tomorrow morning when I wake up, I am increasing the premium Discord to $98 a month. So if you want to lock in the current price, use code 25OFF and you'll get $25 off the current price for your first month as well. But if you want to lock in the current price, you need to get in before tomorrow morning, guys. I'm jacking the price up and I'm never coming back. My daily alerts have been hitting. We just did a live stream today, threw in a trade on the crazy volatility, and we were up big, got stopped out, break even. It is what it is. But if you want access to the 24/7 live charts, daily alerts, I'm constantly in the chat and you get an indicator included. Go to upgrade here when you're in the free Discord. Click the link here. It'll take you right to it. Links directly with your Discord. Super easy, guys. This is your final warning. I'm telling you now. And it will still be too cheap at $98. All right. Now, this is what I have sketched out originally. We're on the hourly chart for Bitcoin. Well, 15-minute. We'll go to the hourly chart on Bitcoin. And as you guys know, I was tracking a parallel channel. I was looking for an ending diagonal. Correction up 1, correction down 2, correction up 3, correction down 4, correction up 5. Still may be in play, guys. Still may be in play. But I'm looking at another option as well. Right? So this ending diagonal is a form of an impulsive wave. It is an ending impulse wave. 5 waves. And that would say that our original wave here was an impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a correction down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Impulse out for our ABC. Targets 65 to 67K, somewhere in this range is what I'm looking for. Simply just pulling fibs here, guys. Simply just pulling fibs. That's it. The 1-to-1 gets you to 67K. The 786, which Bitcoin has been loving to retrace to lately, is 63, 64K, something like that. So that would be my targets. Now, I need to give you guys a different count that is showing up. I told the premium members about this as well. Right now, this looks like a very good Correction up, correction down, correction up. Now, to be an ending diagonal, we need another correction up, right? But let's just say that this is a finished WXY, right? Let's just say that, because it very well could be. You could say this is a correction up. So we have a correction up, correction down. We're looking for another correction up to these levels here. We have not gotten there yet. So we're still in the process of that correction up. We could be putting in a WXY in a bigger time frame where we have correction up, correction down, correction up. Could very well be the case. And I'm going to show you a trade that is setting up that I will look to take personally. My premium Discord members will look to take if it shows itself. Now, as you know, I am sitting in my Ethereum trade. I'm hanging on to this. If price wants to go to 65K already, Ethereum would go up as well with it. I'll be happy with that. Great. But I'm looking to at least hedge short if this wave structure occurs, and I'll show you where. If you guys are looking to trade on Blowfin, which is my exchange, it's what everyone is using to trade on now. They are no KYC. They are the best no KYC exchange out there. Guarantee you. Pinned in the first comment down below is the Blowfin link that I hooked you up with. You will get a $100 refund on your first losing trade. If you click that link, you're automatically entered into that. You get refunded $100 on your first losing trade. So if you're looking to switch, you're looking to give them a try, go ahead, sign up with your email, and get trading. You get a free trade, right? So go take advantage of that. Now, looking at this alternate count that may be at play. Looking at this WXY as being finished, we could be in the middle of a flat correction where we have a correction down, we have an impulsive wave to the upside that is done, looking to finish this up, so we have a correction up, right? Then we'd be looking to impulse down. Guys, there's so much liquidity down here. There's a lot. I would think they would go and take it before continuing higher. There is also a bunch of liquidity that just built up today right here. So this would sweep that, then let's go to 65K, right? And that, my friends, would be a finished WXY. Boom. W. Nice, solid, long enough X wave into our Y wave. Y would be corrective, of course, because we're in a WXY. So it would be some type of zigzag. That's what we'd be looking at zooming out. Looks a little something like so. And then from there, yeah, let's come down, right? We'll cross that bridge when we get to it, but that's what it's looking like to me. Now, where am I looking to short this, might you ask? Well, good thing you asked. I will tell you. Shorting this, zoomed in, what I have here. Now, as we know, this broke the high right here. This little wick, it actually broke this high. So we could have had a boom, boom, flat correction for our B wave, impulse down C wave. So we have a flat correction here that has finished at the 1-to-1 extension. If we pull fibs on the flat, boom, 1-to-1. Here for our B wave, it's tricky, but I mean, it was FOMC volatility. It's going to be tricky. You have a correction up, you have a correction down that broke the low, you have an impulse up. Flat correction, the fibs look perfect on it. I'm okay with calling that a flat correction. Our initial leg down, correction, second leg down. Right off the 1-to-1, we had a beautiful bounce. So what I'm looking for as this wave progresses is this whole thing to be our correction, this to be our initial wave. I'm looking for a hit up. And if we pull fibs on this, sorry, let me bring this to the bottom there, to our 1-to-1. All right. You're looking at a 1-to-1 of 63,400. You're looking at a 786 of 62,529. Right? So, if we get this price to push up towards these levels here, I'm going to be watching very closely at these 2 price points for our correction down, our correction up that broke our high, and then an impulsive wave to the downside. Let's come and sweep this shit, right? Pull fibs on it. We can get there. The 786 would for sure get us there. The 1-to-1, you'd have to come down to probably the 2, get a little extended, but that is okay, right? So, zooming in on this, there might be a nice long setup coming as well to see if this wants to get up to these 63K levels. Let's go a little further. Told my premium members I was going to alert them when it looks good. Let's see. So we have a nice impulse off the bottom. And, you know, just to kind of put this into perspective for you guys. So on our flat correction here, we would expect this wave to be impulsive down. And some would say, well, Alex, it looks corrective. Zigzag, right? I beg to differ. It looks like an ending diagonal. Look at how perfectly it channeled in here. I have a correction down 1, correction up 2, correction down 3, correction up 4, correction down 5. Beautiful ending diagonal for me. Right off the 1-to-1, we have a nice bounce. This is what looks good to me, guys. This is what looks good to me. So really, I'm just pulling fibs on this. Maybe this is the correction right here, where you have a correction down, correction up, impulse down. Let's come sweep this lower liquidity, and then we start pushing upwards. This could be it. I'm not really willing to take this trade right here, but this could be it. So the trade I'm really interested in taking is if this continues to the upside, really looking at the 63K level for a short, for a nice impulsive wave. It will be quick, it will be fast and furious to the downside if this is the count. And that's what I want to catch. I want to get in, get out, flip long, and let's go up, right? That's what I'm watching out for right now on the charts. I hope you guys made it through FOMC okay. That's all I have for you today, man. Honestly, guys, you need to upgrade here in the premium Discord today. Tomorrow morning, I will jack the prices up. This is your final warning. I love each and every one of you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.